Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can check what Windows 10 operation system you have, 32-bit or 64-bit. To check it, what you need to do is just right click on My Computer or this PC icon and click on Properties. And next to System Type, you'll see if you have a 32 or 64-bit operation system. If you don't have My Computer or this PC icon, you can check it to your Windows settings. Just open your Windows settings. Then click on System and click on About. And next to System Type, you will see what operation system you have. That's how you can find out what operation system you have, 32-bit or 64-bit. Thank you for watching.